You know, these days it really does seem like we're disinfecting anything and everything we come in contact with, right? Well, today, one company let us tag along to see how they work to keep South Florida businesses safe and clean. Local 10's Andrew Perez is in Sunrise to show us.
This is a whole new approach to combating COVID-19. New tools, new methods, and these guys have been busy. They're on the front lines of this fight, too. They're not doctors, not nurses. They're disinfectors, taking precautions.
Preventative is being preventative, not reactive. You know, if you're going after it to make sure it never happens.
Scott Murphy is the co-owner of EnviroMaster South Florida, somewhat of a hygiene hero, you might say. They'll respond after confirmed cases of COVID-19 or beforehand to prevent the spread. The company's been working around the clock to clean up.
We're heavy in the restaurant industry and other recreational facilities, and of course they've all closed, but now we've moved to helping assure the safety of very large condominium complexes, of course municipalities, and grocery stores.
Some of those grocery stores, like Bravo supermarkets, using the service twice a week to disinfect and kill germs. Nursing homes also on the line. These guys suit up and they focus solely on cleanliness. Doctors' offices, condo buildings. A different approach to fighting coronavirus using various tools at their disposal.
We have been asked quite a few times to come out when there is a documented case.
Of course, cleanliness is a priority right now for all of us. The chemicals used here in this process, by the way, are considered environmentally friendly. That's the latest here in Sunrise. I'm Andrew Perez, Local 10 News.